Alright fellas, we're about to go on a cookie run in my twin turbo LS 6-speed OBS truck. The truck was given to me and I got the motor out of a junkyard in trade for a nickel store gift card. So it's straight up junkyard truck, and then I put it all together. It's got a Texas Speed Bald Eagle boost cam in it, twin 66mm turbos, T56 Magnum 6-speed transmission, quick performance 9-inch forward rear end, QA1 coilovers all the way around. I fabricated a triangulated 4-link in the rear, 18-inch Motegi wheels, which are generally import wheels, but I machined them to fit a Chevy truck hub. Other than that, I call it my trash truck because it looks like trash, but it's wicked.
We are strapped in, ready to go get some cookies. Just had dinner on the beach. So insert super crazy clips of turbos. God almighty! Oh, you feel that? Yeah, I'm glad you got these suckers. Woo! They don't look tight, but they're not moving, I promise. Wow. That's fun. Yeah. That's crazy. That is something else. Oh my gosh. Woo! The little backfire. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This dude's like, yo, he came up quick. Turbo vehicles are, I think that's the way. Superchargers are cool and whatnot, but the turbos, yeah. Holy cow, that is insane. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm gonna smile out of my braces, dude. They're gonna pop off. We drove a twin turbo 5.3 LS to go get milk and cookies. Milk and cookies. We got the milk and cookies, guys. Got the milk and cookies. Uh-oh, there's a bridge coming up. You know what that means. Woo! Can't beat a 5.3. Can't beat a 5.3. Well, an LS7's different, but you can't beat a junkyard 5.3. Blow off sounds good. Woo! God. That one caught me off guard. That was nice. I like that one. Woo! That's fun. That is exhilarating. I couldn't imagine them 76s.
Oh yeah, they were wicked. The problem with the 76s was it took forever to spool up.
Like what, 5,000 some RPM?
Yeah, now I'm like spooled up at 3,000 RPM.
Yeah.
So it's like almost instantaneous. You gotta think each turbo's only running on half the engine.
Oh yeah, you said that yesterday.
Yeah, 4 cylinders. So each turbo's, it's basically 2 turbo 4 cylinders, really.
Yeah.
So a 5.3 liter is, I'm basically put a turbo on a 2.4.5 or whatever liter it is, 2.6 or something like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's crazy.
It's only a 325-inch motor. It's not a
Can't beat them.
It's got some Texas speed goodies in it, but
Oh yeah.
it's still just a junkyard motor.
That's right. Folks, that concludes our little joyride cookie run over here. Yeah, that concludes our cookie run for the night. Hope y'all enjoyed a little video, a little rundown of the truck. I sure did. So, peace out. Y'all like and subscribe. Check out his Instagram. I'll put a link into it in the video, in the comments and whatnot. But yeah, y'all have a good night.
Oh yeah.
Love y'all. And see you the next time.
Oh yeah.
Tell us, DJ, about them.
We got the milk and cookies.
Bye, have a great time.